guys, I'm Michael.
I'm Katie.
And together we make summiting ourselves. Katie's going to explain what summiting ourselves is.
Is she?
Yeah, basically we're going to be travelling around in this van, making some videos and trying to push ourselves to be the best we can be, whether that's business related, whether that's actually physically. Anything to add? I mean, that kind of sums it up.
Yeah.
Ish, doesn't it? Ish.
Yeah. Just the best we can be.
I mean, there are better ways of explaining it, but I'm just not very good on camera. I'm usually behind the camera, not in front of it, so it's a bit weird. But hey, there we go. There's an opportunity for me to try and improve myself and something myself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's basically just growing as a person.
But whilst having fun, and hopefully being able to monetize our adventures and do what we love and make money for it. And we're going to bring you along and we're going to show you exactly how we're going to do it so you can do it.
And maybe do it better.
You'll probably do it better. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to be doing is actually kitting this van out because it's empty at the minute. And we're going to show you exactly how we're f***ing up by doing that. Anything to add? What else are we going to be doing?
Hopefully going to Scotland in the summer.
Yeah,
our first trip.
We want to do the NC 500. That'd be nice.
What?
NC 500. So it's very big.
Right.
It's like the richest shit.
Oh, right.
In a way.
Okay.
Just not as cool. I mean, in Scotland's pretty cool.
You'll see a lot of his dad as well, make an appearance in the next few videos.
My DIY skills are next to nothing, so...
Yeah.
So it is, but... So this is the van. It's a 2018 Peugeot Boxer. She's only a 2 litre, but she's quite grunty, and I like that. Yeah, that's the van, really. Like, there's not much else.
She's grunty, and I like that.
All right, well, I hope we kind of covered it. If not, I mean, you might have seen the teaser video. If not, check us out on Instagram.
Katie_Feather, without the A.
And then mine's Michael_Buckland_. Or just follow us on Summiting Ourselves.
Yeah, you'll see us there.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so editing that and watching it back, we realised we missed out quite a bit of stuff, didn't we?
Yeah.
So I'm 22, I'm from North Devon, and I'm a filmmaker. I do a few other little bits online here and there. Looking forward to travelling around in the van. It's something I've always wanted to do. Always wanted to have a van. I've got one, and we're kitting it out. It's gonna be so much fun.
I'm Katie, I'm 21 and I'm currently a psychology student. I work in a local sweet shop, so it doesn't sound as exciting, but it's the best place to work. I haven't travelled too much, so I'm quite excited to start being able to go out and see the world and yeah, just live in a van.
Yeah. I've travelled a fair bit in my short lifetime, for 22 years. Been to a few amazing places, amazing countries. But hopefully I get to go and visit a lot more that I haven't seen. As mentioned previously, Summiting Ourselves is attaining the highest degree of happiness through the execution of success and our passions. But yeah, we created it on, I think it was the 1st of March this year, 2021. Just to kind of put ourselves out there more, kind of challenge ourselves and kind of become the best versions of ourselves. And hence summiting ourselves. I don't even know if if we can use summiting in that kind of form, but we've used it, summiting ourselves. So we have a website, summitingourselves.com. Check it out. We've got some blog posts. We've got kind of the kit that we're going to be using. Just kind of keep you updated, I guess. So what can you guys expect? Basically, we're doing a van build at the moment, so that's kind of our main priority at the minute. I don't know how often we're going to be posting to start with, because I'm coming to realise that how hard it is filming and trying to do a van build at the same time. Hats off to you guys that are out there doing that. You're f***ing killing it. It's hard, it's very hard. And watching back all the footage from the van build, because we've already done a lot of the van build already, a lot of it's going to be hard to kind of edit. It's not going to be engaging enough. So we're going to try and sum it ourselves and be the best that we can be. When we finish the van build, obviously we'll give you a van tour, because that's a van life thing. We want to live the van life, hashtag van life, all that shit. We're not vegan yet. We're not, we don't do yoga. We don't, we're not van life wankers, but we're trying to get there. So yeah, we'll see what we can do. When the van build is completed, we are going to be going on some adventures. We're going to do some epic films, hopefully entertain you guys, show you epic places to go, to stay.
Just share it all with you.
Yeah, we're going to share it with you. We're going to share it with you.
But yeah, we're hopefully going to show you guys how to do it all and maybe push yourselves as well and join us in something yourself.
Yeah, we want to build a like-minded community of individuals or groups, people, couples, whoever, to just, yeah, I don't really know where we're going with it, to be honest. It's just an idea. But it's not just an idea, it's a lifestyle that we want to live and we want to encourage others to live. Obviously, restrictions are honing in on us for multiple reasons, but you know, we'll see what happens. Hopefully we'll see you guys out on the road.
Keep updated with what we do on our Instagram page and our blog posts, and hopefully there'll be a step-by-step guide on how you can improve.
Improve what?
Their van build.
Their van build? No, you're going to see exactly how not to do your van build. So you can do it better, really.
Alright, fair enough.
Yeah. Obviously, you may be able to tell we're not very confident in front of a camera at the minute. I'm usually behind the camera, but you know, that's a reason for us to summit ourselves. So YouTube for us is just a passion project at the minute. So hopefully further down the line we'll be able to monetize it. But if not, that's fine, because we're going to be doing other things that's going to get us income. We just want to show you what we do. We want to show you our adventures. Hopefully inspire you to get out there and do stuff, even after lockdown, even with COVID. Just still get out there, just do it, because you know, life's short, you know?
I think that's the main thing, isn't it?
Yeah,
just trying to
make the most of it.
Yeah, make the most of short life.
Yeah, you know, no one gets out alive, so
have fun.
That's really depressing. I thought I should say that.
Probably not, but never mind.
I'm trying to become more mindful of each other, of ourselves, of other people. I need to work on that to a degree.
Everyone does, don't worry.
Yeah, that's fair enough. Yeah, hopefully we'll be able to show you what North Devon has to offer. Maybe some of you have been there, maybe some of you live there. I reckon a few of them do, you know. Or the UK, if we can't travel abroad. Remember guys, summit yourself, have a wonderful day, evening, morning, whatever time it is, whenever you're watching this. So thanks for listening, thanks for watching. If you got this far in the video, like, hats off to you. You've got a little bit of van cleaning coming up. You know, remember to subscribe, remember to like, click the little bell, ding 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 notification, check out the description, there'll be some stuff down there.
Okay, so the van's been sat here for a while now because I haven't really been doing anything with it. So it's time to clean it out. We've got some mould in the cab because it's been sat there. We've got loads of dirt in the back. Let's get to it. Okay, so if you're wondering why it was so dirty, it's because we had these wooden boards over the top of it, and then we ripped them out, and underneath there's loads of dirt from all the splatter from the road and stuff. 2-year-old van, but it's cleaned up quite nicely, so let's get back to it. These things, bloody nightmare. Van life, here we come. Nightmare. Okay, whilst Katie's doing that, I'm going to go on the inside. Look at all this. Look at all that mould, man. Oh, she's been sat here.
Clean van. Back is relatively clean, a lot cleaner than what it was. Epic, epic, epic. Okay, so we're done. A noisy ass bird up there.
Yeah. Do you want a Jaffa cake?
I love a Jaffa cake.